So what's up, viewers and subscribers? Respect for tuning in to another video. But coming up in this video today, viewers and subscribers, let's just say I have some very uncomfortable news to give you all people, because a group of gunmen has attacked another security team, viewers and subscribers, and this attack take place in Portmore at the Portmore Pines Plaza, people. You understand what I mean? So reports are the police have seized 2 motor vehicles used by gunmen involved in a shooting incident at the Portmore Pines Plaza in Portmore, St. Catherine on Sunday afternoon, viewers and subscribers. We also understand that the gunman had attacked a Beryllium security team making a deposit at a Scotia Bank teller machine. It is understood that 2 security guards were shot in the incident and have been rushed to the hospital. Several videos of the incident have been circulating on social media with an intense shootout between members of the security team and gunman. In one of the videos, a member of the security team appeared to have been shot and injured. The armored car was also seen taking evasive action as the two groups traded bullets for bullets, people. You understand what I mean? So at the end of the day, you know, say this is an ongoing case, and at the end of the day, police say them operating 2 cars that was in Lake Spend, viewers and subscribers. So right there, so you see say at the end of the day, like the man them come to Bloom and do them thing, and after them do them thing, them just dispose of the vehicle, viewers and subscribers. You understand? There is nothing yet to say if the gunman has get any money or anything. You understand? But people, when you look into this, tell me what you think down into the comment section. Because at the end of the day, this really look to me like, say, yeah, the man them a tell themselves right now, so them a take set on the security team them. And so also the security company them need to equip the security them with the necessary equipment. You understand what I mean? To really buckle this, because at the end of the day, it not look good, viewers and subscribers. It not look good none at all on Jamaica. You understand what I mean? And at the end of the day, even the police them need to do something about this. Andrew Holness need to do something about this. We know that at the end of the day, the security them is also underpaid. You understand? In which way them forget a raise by April the 1st. At the end of the day, even the security company them I look out on that, and I say at the end of the day, like them no want to do it. But when you look into this, viewers and subscribers, yeah, the security them really deserve it, and even more, because every day them put them life in danger, viewers and subscribers, just to be in this position working for honest bread, people. But anyways, I want you to tell me what you think down into the comment section. Also share the video, drop a like on the video, viewers and subscribers, because it really helps the algorithm. People subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so that you can get all of the latest from Flava Media Entertainment TV. So people, as well, we said this is an ongoing case. You understand? So if there's anything more on it, I will update you. So people, be safe. Peace. I'm out.